Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another installation video. And as you can see in front of me, we have a wide range of Womet-Tech crash protection products, and behind me we have the all-new 2022 Yamaha XSR900. And in this video, we'll be showing you the installation process of the Womet-Tech fork sliders. And I do want to mention, the installation process for each of these products is exactly the same as the third generation 2021 Yamaha MT-09. So the method we will show, it will actually be shown on the MT-09. However, for the outro, we will come and actually show you the finished product installed on this beautiful redesigned XSR900 to give you the confidence in knowing we did actually do the work and install these parts on this bike. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin the installation process.
One thing that we want to keep in mind is that this is going to be a directional installation, meaning one side of the axle has a larger hole in it. On the head side, there's a big hex bore that will receive one of the components. On this side, it's going to receive a component that has a counter bore. Let's go into the parts kit and identify those components right now. This is how it comes to you. It's got some hardware. These are bolts necessary for the installation. They are the same, so no worries there. We have the bar that ties it all together. And then we have two dissimilar pucks. So the puck that has no protrusion, has a counter bore in it, will be the one to fit on the smaller side of the axle, smaller with the bump out. And then on the right side of the bike, we have the side of the axle that will be accepting a protrusion. So the other puck will have a protrusion coming out of it, and that will fit in there. Let's pre-configure these parts for assembly. It's very, very simple. I do have a tip, sort of a trick for this installation. It is not absolutely necessary. It just makes removal of the wheel down the line a little bit simpler. I use thread locking agent on this side of the assembly, and that in turn keeps this side fixed with the bar, and therefore during subsequent disassembly of the system, you will put a wrench on the left side of the bike and remove the screw, and then the whole thing comes out and remains as a chunk. Like I said, it's not absolutely necessary, it's just a little tip. Let's get this fed through here, and we'll grab the other puck, get it located on its location on the axle here, put the other screw through it. 6mm Allen is what we are using here for the installation. And then we will need to have a secondary Allen here to hold the other side while we turn this in to bottom out. Now, it is recommended to tighten this to 12 Newton meters, which is 9 foot-pounds or 108 inch-pounds. I have my torque wrench set on that. In the past, I've done this just by preloading the Delrin without actually using a torque wrench, but this time we'll just do it to the recommended settings. All right. And that's it for this install. If you are interested in installing the cosmetic stickers on the inside, you can do that now. There's no real big trick to it. You're just applying a sticker to the inside. Red or pearly white or silvery white stickers are provided. Make sure surface is clean. I like to use a small screwdriver to get it in that well. Center it and then commit, press it down, and just repeat the step on the other side of the bike.
All right, and with that, this installation is now complete, with the exception, of course, if we wanted to add a pop of color onto these sliders. Womet-Tech does include silver and red accent rings to to place on these bad boys. So if you're interested in these products, you want to help minimize the damage taken on by your bike if you do get into a crash, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to this particular product is in the description below, but be sure to stop by our website, see what else we have for this beautiful 2022 Yamaha XSR900 or any other bike that may be sitting in your garage. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, want to say hey, be sure to leave a comment in the comment field below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with everything we are doing here at TST Industries. And lastly, stop by our social media pages if you haven't already. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. This has been Mark from TST. Catch you guys next time.